ViTrac is designed to provide doctors, nurses, and other medical personnel with information on multiple patients, any place, and any time. The ViTrac application provides a secure method for viewing a wide range of neon coded generated patient data that can be viewed in near real time on our mobile devices within the hospital network. The mobile application provides a robust and easy-to-use interface which allows viewing of current waveforms and vital signs and stored full disclosure data, arrhythmia history, ST level, history, trend data, hemodynamics data, 12-lead ECG interpretations, and much more. Launching ViTrac viewing patient data. The first time ViTrac is launched, the All Beds window is blank. To start viewing beds, press the bed selection icon. This will bring you to the bed selection window. The bed selection window allows you to choose which beds to view and which waveforms and vital signs to display. ViTrac can select up to 8 patients on the Zebra smartphone. The bed selection window allows you to choose which beds to view. Tapping a bed in the available beds list will toggle the bed selection status between on and off. At the top of the available beds list reveals a search bar and a bed filter control. Bed filter control. All shows all beds in alphanumeric order. Group shows all beds in assigned order. Selected shows only the beds currently selected for viewing. The search field at the top performs partial or full text searching on bed name, patient ID, or physician name. The available bed list allows for a filtered list of available beds. Selected status, if checked, the bed is currently selected for viewing. After selecting which beds you want to view, press the ViTrac back button in the upper right, or the All Beds button. All Beds window. The All Beds window displays the near real-time status for all selected devices. Up to 8 patients can be selected on this Zebra mobile device. Important icons to note. The top right is a settings icon. The monitor icon is the bed selection icon. And then the volume icon indicates the alarm notification sound icon. X is off. Sound icon means sound is on. Key features. See near real-time vital signs data. Scroll through vital signs by swiping left or right on the vital signs view area. Tap any part of the bed view area to advance to the wave display window. View alarm notice messages with the bed border color showing the alarm level. Communication loss is displayed when the bed or mobile device can no longer communicate with the Unified Gateway server. Caution: there is a small latency in the display of numeric vital signs and waveform data on mobile devices. This latency is a factor of the network load and the number of beds on the network. The latency typically does not exceed 4 seconds. In other words, the data displayed on this screen could be up to 4 seconds old. Wave display window. The wave display window displays waveforms and numeric data for a selected bed. Tap a patient's bed view on the All Beds window to display the wave display window. The wave display window shows near real-time waveforms and numeric data for the selected bed. Here you have a settings button. Here you have vital signs scrolling. Here you have waveform scrolling. Waveform scrolling. Scroll through the waveforms by swiping up or down the waveform view area. Vital signs scrolling. Scroll through the vital signs by swiping up or down in the vital signs view area. Waveform sensitivity or scale. Select a waveform settings icon to modify its sensitivity. Notice the change. The top right is a menu button. To hide the menu button, click the three dots again. To view the patient demographics or the patient information, click the little arrow in the top left. This will display the patient information. When done viewing, click the same arrow to return. Vital signs, settings. Click your settings icon here, and although it's hard to read on the screen, you have two options underneath the Done, Edit, and Default. The left-hand side is Waves, the right-hand side is Vital Signs. Clicking Vital Signs will allow you to edit the vital signs displayed in the waveform view. Once you click Edit, you can choose to display with a check mark the vital sign you want to see, or uncheck the vital signs you don't want to see. Also in this list, you have Arranging Icons option. So if you want to move this vital sign up, you click the icon on the right-hand side, hold down, and position the vital sign in the order you want to view them. When done, click Done. And click Done. If you've gone through your settings and realize you don't like it or want to return to the defaults, all you need to do is go back to Settings again, click Default, and click Done. And that'll replace all your vital signs. Back to the default view. The trend data window displays the tabular trend of the measured parameters. Trend data is updated at 1-minute intervals. Each numerical value is displayed in the parameter color. Blood pressure and temperature are displayed by their labels. On this screen, we have the settings, the menu options to return to wave display, or your all bed. You have a timeline slider at the top. This will allow you to adjust the date and time. Once you found your specific time, you could then slide left and right. If you want to adjust the 1-minute intervals, click the settings icon and select what sampling interval you would like displayed. Currently I'm at 15 minutes. It's hard to make out, but you can go to 30 minutes or 60 minutes or back to the default 1 minute. Graphical trend window. The graphical trend window displays the trend graphs of measured parameters and arrhythmia events. Each trend graph is displayed in the parameter color. Use the slide control or swipe left and right in the trend graph to scroll through the graphical trend data by date and time. Swipe up or down to view more trend graphs. A cursor is drawn in the middle of the trend graphs. As data is scrolled, the date, time, and numeric values of the graph trend data beneath the cursor are shown to the left of the graphs. Press the settings icon to change the trend graph displayed to show 60, 12 default, 6, or 4 samples per hour. After a new value is selected, the graphical trend window is displayed using the new samples per hour. Full disclosure window. The full disclosure window displays full disclosure waveforms. The central monitor saves full disclosure waveforms for each bed. Only the waveforms that are stored on the central monitor are available for viewing on ViTrac. Each waveform is displayed in the parameter color. You can select zoom values of 25 mm a second or 6.25 mm second. Individual waveforms can be reordered and shown or hidden. Use the slide control or swipe in the main view to scroll through the full disclosure data. If you'd like to reorder or hide data, click the settings icon. Here you have two options which can be seen, the 25 mm a second or the 6.25 mm a second. I'll switch back to 25 mm a second now and done. Underneath you have waves to display. Here you can edit which waves you want displayed by placing a check mark in this column. If you remove the check mark, those waves will no longer be displayed. To add them back or to reset defaults, click Defaults and all the check marks appear in that column. One other nice option you have in the full disclosure window is in the settings you can rearrange the order in which the waves appear. Also, don't forget, you can select the size of the wave by clicking the setting icon on the wave itself. Arrhythmia recall window. The arrhythmia recall window displays the arrhythmia event and waveform of each arrhythmia recall file. The list of arrhythmia recall files can be scrolled and sorted by time or event. Selecting a particular arrhythmia recall file enlarges the waveform and shows arrhythmia annotations. An arrhythmia recall file is created so that the detached arrhythmia is displayed in the center of the recall waveform. The arrhythmia recall files list can be scrolled by swiping up or down in the area where the files are displayed. A more detailed view of the arrhythmia recall files list can be viewed by tapping the preview waveform. The detailed view displays the annotated arrhythmia details. Swiping left or right on the preview or expanded waveform scrolls the waveform. The arrhythmia recall files list can be sorted by time or event priority by clicking the settings icon. Here you have several options: sort, filter, sort by event priority or by time, sort order by newest or by oldest, and then filter. Filter allows you to select and unselect events that you want to see. ST recall window. The ST recall window displays ST recall files. ST recall files are created at a present interval. The ST recall window displays the date and time of file storage, heart rate, ST waveform, and ST value for each lead. Use the slide control at the top or swipe left and right in the main view to scroll through ST recall files by date and time. Swipe up or down to view more leads. Press the settings icon to change the ST waveform sensitivity setting. After a new value is selected, the ST recall window is updated with the new sensitivity value. Lead window. The ECG 12-lead analysis window displays the results of ECG 12-lead analysis performed at bedside monitors. An analysis report table is available for viewing. Use the slide control at the top or swipe left and right in the 12-lead file area to scroll through the ECG 12-lead data by date and time. When selecting a file number, you can scroll up and down for more information. Swipe up or down in the 12-lead file area to view more measurement values. Swipe the waveform display in any direction to view different portions of the 12-lead file contents, including the analysis report at the far right. Hemodynamics window. The hemodynamics list created on the bedside monitor can be viewed on the hemodynamics window. Each numeric value is displayed in the parameter color. Use the slide control at the top or swipe left and right in the main view to scroll through the hemodynamics data by date and time. Swipe up or down in the display's table to view more hemodynamic parameters.